Hey, you lovely people. How have you been? I hope you're good, and if not, I really hope you're okay. It's lockdown in Paris again, so I took this time to escape for a while and savor spring in its full glory. I don't know about you, but nature, for me, has always been a necessity. Too much time away, and I start losing my sanity in a sense. I know I can grow and nurture my plant sanctuary in my room, but now is not that time. After the unfortunate passing of Corazon and Daisy, my two previous plants, which you saw in my first watercolor time lapse, I've been contemplating incorporating artificial plants into my space instead. I think it's less risky and there's less heartache involved, at least. Nature is the answer to everything. In my eyes, at least. Stressed? Nature. Lost? Nature. Sad? Nature. Consuming too much self-help material, or in other words, low self-confidence? Nature. It would tell you how enough you are, how you've always been so worthy. You look at the flowers, the leaves, and animals, not just thriving or living, but blooming. They just are. They exist without even questioning so much of their existence. The cycles of nature are there for important reasons. One of them being the fact that we are cyclical beings. We have phases, cycles, and seasons. Without the cycles, there would be no room for growth or space for healing. In a way, it would be like forced spring all year round. There's a quote that explains this better. Be patient with yourself. Nothing in nature blooms all year. We all must be plants and bloom where we are planted, and we must make our surroundings better by being there. Another phenomenon that comes to mind when I think of spring and the blooming of plants is the menstrual cycle. I think it's all connected. Okay, I'm a bit off topic here. Coming back to animals, there are these amazing creatures that are gifts on earth to be protected, nourished, and loved unconditionally. They're funny, full of personality and sass. How can one just not love them? I find ducks so hilarious just because of the way they sound. Today I'll be sketching a little scenery in the park in my Moleskine, and I'll be using my HP2 pencil to render that. It's also been quite long since I haven't sketched landscapes, so let's practice that. I'm also aware that I'm saying these assuring things, and it helps me to say them because honestly, I also don't know what I'm doing with my life like everyone else. So it helps to just be gentle in your demeanor with yourself and just go slowly and softly about in your life. As an artist, nature is one of my biggest inspirations. When I talk about nature, I don't just mean plants and animals, the earth, the universe, and sky. We tend to forget this a lot, but we are nature too. Molded into perfection. Our perfectly imperfect souls and bodies are just mesmerizing. An exceptional blueprint, meant to be loved and nurtured, just like everything else in the universe. We have stars running in our veins. My favorite quote that sums this up is by Rumi. Stop acting so small. You are the universe in ecstatic motion. We look outside so much that we forget how miraculous our existence is. The fact that you're alive right now itself is magical. You're kind to others so much, but you forget that you deserve your own kindness too. You see the beauty in others, and sometimes you're so busy doing it that you forget to admire your own beauty. You've been hard on yourself for so long that you've forgotten what it's like to be synchronized with your body and soul. It's okay. We're humans, prone to erring, and we make these mistakes. Only then we learn. You are beautiful regardless. If you are searching for a reminder, this is it. Please be gentle with yourself and look after yourself. Take care and much love, Lela.